Module 3, Case Studies on Spring MVC. In this module, I plan to use some case study examples to prepare you for our Project Part 1. Project Part 1, we need to do a special case to practice the old version Spring MVC. So why old version? Because you need some hands-on experience. Otherwise, when you jump to the current version, your background may not be that solid. So I want to use one part, thus part 1, to give you some, low-level hands-on experience. All right, part A, a Spring MVC application with XML configuration. In this part, I'll give you one simple example. But in this simple example, we need to handle data. We need to handle users entered data. If we recall our Hello Spring in that one, although we displayed a piece of data, but there is no user input data. But this one, the special part, user input data. All right, part 8.1, structure and a demo. First, let's look at the structure. After that, I will do simple demo. So I set it up, then I just run it. So pretty fast. Then, if I feel I need to use, probably I just use videos. Because we cannot wait that long for our sync session 3. I don't want to wait that long, so I want to do it as fast as possible. So I will use videos to do that. All right. When I explain the structure, I want to use 2 parallel pages, left-hand side, right-hand side. Left-hand side, the source file. So I will upload, so give you the zip file that contains all the source files. So the structure in the source file. So I use page 1 to show, and page 2, then that corresponds to the dynamic web project in Eclipse. So when you do the file copies, so you have the idea, 1-to-1 correspondence to make copies. So pretty straightforward. All right, so let me go through these items. First, the source folder. You will download a zip file called dukespring.zip. Oh, probably it's not. The zip file I will give you is a tutorial. Okay, so you will see tutorial number something Duke Spring, but after you unzip that tutorial file, you will see one tutorial document. Other than that, you will see this dukespring.zip source folder. So the source folder included, not .zip, a folder, a Duke Spring folder included inside that tutorial zip file. So you will see that easily. Then, right-hand side, we will create dynamic web project. We call it Duke Spring. Then, configuration file. So I put a folder. If you get into the Duke Spring folder, you will see config folder. So I put 2 configuration files inside it. Then right-hand side, we need to make copies. When we make copies, we will copy these 2 configuration files directly, drag and drop. You know how to do it. Drag and drop into this node. So this node. Yeah. You expand. Yeah. Try to find it. Yeah. And next, after the configuration file, we need to copy jar library files. Yeah. So I have this folder, lib folder inside Duke Spring. So you will find 5 jar library files. Yeah. The first 3, we use it for Spring MVC framework. The first 3, yeah, we used it last time in our Hello Spring. The last 2, I use it because in this example, we will use a simple feature from JSTL, Java Standard Tag Library. Oh, JSP, not Java, this J. So JSP Standard Tag Library. Okay? Yeah. Only one simple feature there. Yeah. So we need this library. Yeah. So then in the JSP code, you will see how do we use that. Yeah. All right, I will explain that later. Yeah. You just make the copy. Yeah. Then the folder, the dynamic project side, jar library files, you place it in this node, lib node under web-inf, so you can see it. Yeah. So you drag and drop all these 5 jar files, drop there. Okay, yeah, 1-to-1 correspondence. Yeah. All right, so after that, then JSP files. All right, yeah, yeah, let me erase. Yeah, all right. JSP files. We have 3 JSP files, but the first one is the welcome file. So this one, although it's a welcome file, but we do nothing. From the name, you can see we just do redirect. Redirect. So we can call the Spring controller redirect. Yeah. So you can see the name, but this still, it is our welcome file. Welcome.jsp. Yeah, because the user does not need to specify the file name of this welcome file. They just type, domain name, web application name. They can access this welcome file automatically. Yeah. Then this welcome will redirect to the controller. Okay, so the model data prepared. If there is model data. Yeah. In this one, we don't have the model data, but we need to do some special preparation. Yeah. In the next video, I will explain that part, preparation part. All right. So that's the first JSP file. Then 2 other JSP file I put in the JSP folder. Yeah. Inside the Duke Spring. Yeah. Welcome file directly under the Duke Spring folder. So when you make copies, they are in different locations. Yeah. The right-hand side, the location, JSP locations. Redirect, so you drag and drop under web content node. Okay. Then JSP folder, you drag and drop under web-inf node. Yeah. So be careful. That kind of arrangement. Right. All right, so then, 2 JSP files inside that folder. Yeah. Now we are ready to run the project. We are ready to run the project. Yeah. Yeah. Although I talk about the demo, so now I feel, so probably I want to put running the whole example step by step at the end of this part A, because some of you may want to follow the instructions, the video instructions, to do it by yourself. So I put at the end of this whole part, you can use my video to copy files, yeah, if you need it, yeah. So then, run everything, yeah. All right, so yeah, I changed my mind a little bit, yeah. My initial thinking, I want to put the demo just right after this video. I show you the demo, yeah. But I feel I need to show you also the data copy part. So make sure everyone can follow that. All right, so let's finish the first video right here. Yeah.